Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Foundation Masterclass Property Preservation for Beginners 5-Day Challenge. And everybody, this is day 5. Hello, my name is Lori Robertson, and I would love to welcome you to this last and final day of the 5-Day Challenge. Now, if you are on this video, I assume that you have already went through day 1 through 4. If you have not, please go back and check out those videos 1 through 4 because you cannot do day 5 if you have not completed the 4 days prior. Okay, now this is not going to be a long video. I'm going to get right into it because the last day is the last day and it's the easiest day. And if you have not completed getting your background check done and or your license, you definitely cannot do day 5. So even if you did this yesterday and you haven't been approved yet, through your background, or you haven't gotten your insurance, it's okay. As soon as those things are approved and you've got them done, then you can do this last and final day. So let's get into it. And at the end of this, I have something that if you really want to jumpstart your business and you want to get started right away, then I have something for you. Okay, but we'll get to that in just a few seconds. So now the next thing, which is the last thing that you will do, which is your day 5 challenge, is to apply to 3 top property preservation companies. 1 being Safeguard Properties, 2 Spectrum Field Services, and 3 Cypress. Now there are a lot of them, but these are the top 3 that I've applied for and gotten approved for and worked with. So these are the 3 that I want you to apply for and see, what response that you get to them. It may take a day, it may take a couple of days, but don't be discouraged because there are other people that are applying for these companies as well, and it's not going to take that long as long as you have your background check done and your insurance in place. And guess what, guys? That's it for the challenge. These are the 5 challenges that I have for you to do in order for you to get your business up and running. So for your homework, I want you to verify that you have applied to these 3 top property preservation companies. And also let me throw in, I want you to verify that you've done each day and everything has been completed. Okay? Then let me know if you have any questions. And if you do, I want you to email me at robertsonpreservation@gmail.com. Now, let me just say that each one of these steps are so very important. This is going to get you started in your own property preservation business. And I am so excited for you because once you get into this $1 billion industry, you are going to be so blown away at how easy and simple this business can be and how lucrative it is. Now, when I say easy, I don't mean, like if you had a job that you absolutely knew nothing about. What I meant is it's easy to set up, it's easy to apply for, and then once you do that, and if you have someone that is willing to work with you, hold your hand and get you through the process, it'll be a breeze, just like I did. But what I want to do is I want to offer you a chance to work with me personally. I want to offer you a chance to join my 3-week program in the Property Preservation Academy. And the reason why I want to do this is because I want to be the person that holds your hand. I want to be the person who walks you step by step and show you that this journey is a journey that you're not going to be on alone. And it's a journey that I can help you with because I have experience in this. And in this 3-week program, let me share with you exactly what I'm going to give you in this program, okay? In my 3-week program, I'm going to give you 3 one-on-one coaching consultations, which is a $97 value. Then I'm going to give you how to hire subcontractors, where to place the ad, and I'm going to give you a free script to go along with it, which is a $37 value. I'm going to give you free customized forms. Now, you need these forms Because if you want to run a successful business, you're going to have one of these forms sooner or later in your business. And this is a $297 value that I'm going to give to you for free. I'm going to give you a total list of the preservation companies that you can apply to. I'm going to give you a winterization equipment and supply list, which is a $17 value. And even it depends on what time of year it is. You may not need it at this time I'm shooting this video. We're getting ready to go into the spring, but you will need this eventually, and this is something that is so valuable for you that you're going to want to grab a hold of it. I'm also going to give you a property preservation startup kit, and you definitely need this startup kit. It tells you everything that you need to have in your business to get started. That's a $29.99 value. I'm going to give you 7 reasons why you should start your own property preservation PDF for free. The Robertson Property Preservation Guide for Beginners, The Path to a Six-Figure Business, which is a $37 value, and also the 5-Day Challenge, How to Get Started in Property Preservation slide that you're looking at now. I'm going to give that to you for free as well. Now, all of these things that I'm giving you, I actually paid $1,500 for this. Right? And the person who trained me in this is now charging $3,000. But what I decided to do was I decided to offer this for only $197. That's my special price, which is more than half off what I normally am going to charge for this program, which is $497, and that's for today only. So if you join my 3-week training program, it's only going to be $197 today. It's normally going to be priced at $497, and I don't know how long I'm going to keep it at either one of these low prices because, like I said, I paid $1,500 for this information, and now the course I took is at $3,000. So you know that this is a valuable course that you're getting for pennies, and you can get this, with one of your first contracts, you'll get this back with your one contract. You'll probably make more than what I'm charging for this for my 3-week program. So again, let me go over one more time what is going to be in this program. I'm going to give you, again, 3 one-on-one coaching, consultation, how to hire subcontractors, where to place an ad, and also a free script, free customized forms, a total list of preservation companies, winterization equipment and supply list. I'm going to also give you a property preservation startup kit, 7 reasons why you should start your own property preservation business. My property preservation guide for beginners, The Path to a Six-Figure Business, and the 5-day challenge that you are doing now, so that you can go back and take a look at anything that you may have missed, and brush up on any of those things. Now, in order for you to join today for only $197, I want you to go. Here's the link here. I know it's a long link, but I was so excited I didn't even think about going to get a domain name for this course, and I wasn't going to hold it up in order to go do that. So here is the link to join the 3-week course, or you can email me and I will shoot you the link directly to sign up for it. Okay. So again, it's today only $197. It's a $497 value. Here is the link to the course. If you have any questions at all, please shoot me an email. If you want the direct link to just go ahead and purchase the 3-week training program, I will email me and I will send that to you. You should also have it in your email. You will have an email that has the videos that you can watch them, anytime you want to. You can watch all 5 of the videos in one day, or you can do it each day that you will get an email in your inbox. So with that being said, guys, that's it. You have completed the 5-day challenge. Congratulations to yourself. And now if you want to progress, if you want to upgrade, if you want to accelerate this process and have a person who has been in this business for over 25 years holding your hand, helping you step by step, answering all the questions that you have, giving you everything that you need, all the guidance and support that you need. Please join this 3-week program for only $197, guys. $197. Like I said, I paid $1,500 for this. It's now $3,000. My normal price for this is going to be $497. Today only is $197. Invest in yourself, and let's invest in your financial future, and let's start making money today. I will see you. Thank you, thank you, thank you again. And I will see you in my 3-week program in my Property Preservation Academy. Thanks for joining me. Have an awesome, awesome day.